In this video, I will solve your doubts about how to use a Dunkin gift card on Uber Eats and whether or not it is possible to do this. To answer this question and see if it is possible to redeem a Dunkin gift card that is filled with balance directly through Uber Eats, what we can try to do is open the latest version of their app and look for Dunkin near us. So after you set your delivery location and you find a specific Dunkin that you would like to order from, just open up its page. You will be able to see the details, see the location, the rating, and most importantly, get all the items and add them to your cart. So browse through all of the items. It doesn't matter which items you pick, you just have to tap the plus sign to add them to your cart. So I'm gonna pretend that I'm adding this here, and once it is properly added, you can repeat this process as many times as you wish with as many items as you want to order. Make sure that the price falls under the amount of balance available on the gift card. Now, when you go to checkout, you will be able to see a summary of all the items that you added to your cart and then proceed. Now, you will get immediately notified with the payment options that you have attributed to your account. Right away, you will see Uber Cash. However, this isn't what we want to use. Uber Cash is the amount of balance that we have on our Uber accounts. So what if we go into add payment method? We will then see credit and debit card, which doesn't help us. PayPal, once again, doesn't help us. And finally, there's something of interest, gift card. However, when we tap this option and we try to enter the Dunkin gift card PIN or number, it's going to tell us that this is invalid. This is because this field is only available for an Uber gift card, which means that if you want to use a gift card or a gift code, you need to acquire a Uber Eats gift card instead. And if we go back, the other payment method doesn't help. So as of today, what is the answer to the question in the title of this video? Do we need to go somewhere else? Do we need to go over to our account page and check the wallet in there? Or do we need to change the Dunkin location that we chose from? Sadly, the answer to the question in the title of this video is that as of today, redeeming the Dunkin gift card on Uber Eats is impossible. While you can still use your Dunkin gift card as usual to get any items available on Dunkin, it cannot be done through Uber Eats. Uber Eats only accepts Uber gift cards during checkout, so if you want to redeem the balance on the Dunkin gift card, you either need to go to an in-store location and use it there, or download the Dunkin mobile app where you can redeem the card into your account. But as it stands today, redeeming it directly through Uber Eats itself is impossible. Once again, the purpose of this video is not to spread misinformation, but to let people be aware about the limitations of redeeming the Dunkin gift card and why it cannot be done through the Uber Eats mobile app. You need to redeem it into your account on the Dunkin app instead, or alternatively go to a physical Dunkin location and use it there during checkout. If this video cleared up any of the questions that you had about how to use a Dunkin gift card on Uber Eats, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.